What's that, Zimri? Yun, nga tanong mo yung jellyfish.
Kuan siya pag malaya siya.
Look! Hey, let's take a picture over here. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Watch here! Zimri!
Look at daddy, look at the phone.
Okay. Hey, wait for me.
Come here, let's get inside here.
Malagos Butterfly Sanctuary.
Oh, your cup. Here, oh. Kuya. Here.
Lala.
Oh. No, sandali. Butterfly.
Catch it na niya. Ginakuha niya yung fingers. Hey, here's the butterfly.
I can try it too. I can try it. Let's try it. Try it. This. Then
Oh, there. Love, look. Daddy, look. Come here, love.
How? It's called a butterfly.
Yeah.
Butterfly?
You want to put it in your arm?
No, that's not dangerous.
Yeah, I will put it in your hat. Okay? Don't move. I will put it in your hat.
Okay, don't move.
Don't
Don't move.
Okay. It's there.
Don't move. Don't move.
Picture that.
Don't move.
Closer, daddy. Closer.
Don't move, okay?
Closer pa. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Okay. Let's go now. It's okay. The butterfly will just stay there. Sige, kukuha sa butterfly di ambil.
Ito no.
Kukuha kay Z. No, daddy will get it. Don't worry.
You'll get it. Don't be scared. Daddy will get it. Look.
Come here, Dad. Look at here, Daddy. Zimri. Si Zimri back around. Yes. Not there. Don't do that. Okay, Dad.
Zimri, touch the butterfly. Hey. Picture mommy. Put your hand.
Wow.
No. Put your hand.
Wow.
Oh, don't move. Watch mommy.
Nice kayo, Dad. Oh.
Watch mommy.
Look at mommy.
Look at mommy.
Look at mommy.
Daddy.
Oh, don't.
Kuha mong finger, Dad.
No, wait.
Wait, look.
Wait. He's going to you. He's your friend.
Oh,
I'm
he
your
really
friend,
likes you.
Zimri. I'm your friend, Zimri. Here. Oh, here's your friend.
No. I don't want to.
Dad, init na kayong cellphone.